10 ha. Pag sinabi ko, the boat is sinking. Okay, sabihin niyo, what shall we do? Okay. Halimbawa, sinabi ko, the boat is sinking. Very good. Tapos, gagano kayo. Parang natatakot kayo. What shall we do? Sige, example. What shall we do? Yan. Okay. Group yourself into two. Ay, ano kayo ng dalawa? Yan, dalawa. Pag sumobra, out. Pag kulang, out there. Ha? Kailangan, pag sinabi kong two, dalawa lang. Pag sinabi kong three, dapat tatlo. Kaya tatlo. Pag sumobra, pag four, out. Pag two, out there. Ha? Okay, so, ready? Okay.
Pakinggan mo.